Yo, we got the Pelicans versus Mavericks. Should be a decent one. Obviously, we're in the tournament. I expect the Mavericks to win this game. We'll see what happens. Hopefully the Pelicans put up a good fight because I feel like they're legit. But obviously, they're without McCollum. That's really hurt. That's really hurting them. Zion talked about how he's just trying to buy in. Looking a little spooky right there with that. We'll see what happens. But yeah, the Pelicans have been kind of disappointed, man. I thought they would be better, especially fully healthy. Still don't have Trey Murphy, who isn't the biggest impact, but still, you know, he's not awful. Hawkins rookie dude been playing pretty solid, but I mean, their best player is this man, and no one is helping him. No one's helping him. But Ingram, you gotta step it up, man. You gotta step it up, Bi. Kyrie, who has played his role amazingly, how I was raving about, and I saw him speak on the Clippers about roles. I mean, Kyrie has found his role on this team. Is playing it so well. Finally has accepted being the number 2. As you know, he wasn't able to do it. LeBron! As he really wasn't able to with LeBron, you know. And it looks beautiful, and they're doing great. See Jose Alvarado there, another player that the Pelicans have still been on. Wasn't he out like at the end of last season too? What is this? What's his injury? I've been out for a minute now. That Ryan is shooting super well.
I'm such a Jordan Hawkins fan. Me too. Keeper. Hardy. He got it back on the floor. Coming off the high screen. Shares it. Back line pops up. A little bit strong as well.
Getting off the board.
Jonas taps it to himself. Jordan Hawkins advancing it. How about a 3?
Ryan. That Ryan's solid.
No question about that.
That boy, Matt Ryan's solid. I don't know why, but hey. Hey, Pelicans up though. Pelicans up though.
That is the key. Brandon, how about a
Ingram. Ooh.
Now Brandon inside. Jonas. Gonna be Dyson. How about a 3 ball? Powell fumbled it.
Okay, Pelicans. Okay, Pelicans. Come on. This is the energy we need from y'all. Hawkins. Nice. Okay, rookie. Get it going then, Rook. Herb. Okay. See how y'all have to play. Kyrie. Kyrie. Big possession. That's a 10. That's a big 3. That's a big 3. That's a big 3. I all like those jerseys.
Go inside, and they will. Jonas.
Shooting this up, Jonas up, valid. Okay. Oh, nice.
Sets it up, corner 3. Extra pass. Zion going to the cup. And we're live, they got the dunk. The weak side of the floor. Luka. He shares it.
That is Jones.
Jr.
He been kind of coming.
Because he
General Graves. Play.
Brandon
Ingram. Answer! Damn! Okay. Pelicans play like this. Luka. Luke! Luke! That was like his first bucket. What's going on, Luka? Damn. Damn, back to Jones.
Back up by 20. And they're 10 of 25 with their triples. Look at how these triples are coming, though. Luka. Tough shot. Right back run out. They walked away. But that's a shot he doesn't want to take. You can tell he was indecisive. Brandon's got it 1 and done. On the lob.
Whoa! Zion. Zion! Right.
They need that. Big shot. Those are energy plays.
Kyrie.
Kyrie, floater, right back at it. Of getting it done, and especially when
Hey,
everybody's
Pels?
Brandon Ingram shares it, Jordan.
About damn time. 26 for Yo, Hawkins is nice, bro. That boy nice. Luke! In his spot, but it's over. It's over. I'm about to get out of here. There's no point in watching this fourth quarter. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. There's no point in watching this fourth quarter. We out. We out. 5K, bro. We out. We out. We out. Damn, Pels, y'all got practice all the time, man. Mavericks are just fine. Damn.